Some people, Swiss-Lee and World Dog, have a little confrontation. No, they say confrontation, because you know say Swiss-Lee is non-confrontational. You know what I mean? World Dog is a person where people say I'm a bully. You know what I mean? But me feel like such him voice loud, and he's a youth where him easily chip. You know what I mean? Him have a hot temper. Me feel like some of the time him do things out of proportion and then look back and say, boy, him shouldn't do that. You know what I mean? But this happen too often. Me feel like say Swiss-Lee need for give her dog a big man talk. You know what I mean? Stand up for yourself, be a man. You understand? We know say World Dog help you. The internet knows say World Dog help you. You see me I say? So you need to give World Dog a big man chat. When me say big man chat, me mean big man chat because you're a big man. You fi make him know say, dog, them something you where you go on with. Me love you and all. Me respect you and all. But this nothing happen again. You know what I mean? If me do you wrong, then you can do whatever you feel like. But if I don't wrong you, you need to stop disrespect me on the internet. If it happen again, me I go cut from around you. Simple as that. Just make him know that in a disrespectful way, but in a big man way. You can't go on like this. A shame and disrespect this how much time, and this don't look good none at all. You know what I mean? Me not too business about a man friendship, you know. You know what I mean? But on a level, a two person when me watch, but me mostly watch World Dog still. You know what I mean? Because I find him more entertaining. But Swiss-Lee need to stand up as a man and make World Dog know certain things. You see, if you not stand up like a man, that means that you go around the corner and a beat around the bush and a whole conversation with other people. Because your team are going to see it, you know, and them are going to talk to you about it. Your loved ones, them are going to see it, you know, and them are going to talk to you about it. And are going to have conversation, and them are going to tell you this and them are going to tell you that. And you are going to say this and you are going to say that. I mean, know say you have people where I tell you say, yo, left and around this man or whatever. Me know say you have a whole conversation where you have to say something about World Dog on a level. So instead of you beat around the bush and say it to people, say it to World Dog in him face. Make him know straight reason with him. So make you watch the video, people, because you know, as a big man, me not take this from nobody. Me not take it no matter how you help me. Them say this once, shame on you, this me twice, shame on me. And I'm more than twice this happen. And Swiss-Lee not have no control over this will happen. You see me? So make you watch it.
Me comment, block them. Don't come over here.
Guys, and let's get some roses. Aisha, thank you. Charlene, thank you. Aisha, thank you.
Me man.
Yo, so many people MJ energy, dog. Please, bro.
Yes, Swiss-Lee, like some little picnic. Don't make them energy.
Thank you for the roses.
We need for man up, Reggie. We have man, yo.
Your comment section and put in a batty wall.
Yeah.
I say to you, sit down there, say you're not say nothing. Your comment section and shoot up and I want bomb wall, batty wall.
Man, thank you so much, baby. God's child,
Bro,
thank you.
the comment, bro.
Brother,
Listen,
you're
bro.
good, man. You're good, man.
The comments
Your
knock
section.
off.
Yeah, remember, you know, Swiss-Lee is a big man, you know. Big, I mean, I'm 20s, a big man. You see me, I say, World Dog, a big man too. Jano, you can't get up every day and just be like a little picnic to this man. Yeah. Him deal with you any type of way most of the time. No, me not gonna say most of the time. Some of the time when him angry, him deal with a certain type of way. This coming like a abusive relationship where a man him beat up him woman go and beat up her come, but him buy her nice things. You see me I say? Him buy her nice things so she don't want left from around him. Come on, be a man, Cicely, talk to the man. You see me I say, me not say for this him. Talk to the man, sit down and reason with him, say yo, this no look good. And enough time, me hear Cicely on live, I tell him how him, love you, Ray. Is me appreciate you and them thing there. Me can't pour out my heart and my love and appreciation to you. And as a simple thing go down where me not have no control over, you want to deal with me, so?
I remember me tell you that you're going to have
Bro,
blood clot come out. Because you support your blood clot. For you tell them to easy. I tell them to comment. I tell them to lock off the comment and keep it coming positive. Come in here, you want to say something about the comment.
Bro, the comments lock off, bro. We are
yes, the comment lock off Swiftly.
48 roses, guys.
Chat, I say lock off. You never
48 roses, guys.
Bro,
Just jump between Talani and I, guys. If you chop a rose over me, guys.
Thank you,
Just chop a rose, guys. Just rotate the roses.
Shaq,
guys.
thank you, Charlene. Roses, guys.
Get the roses, guys. If you send me
Much bad girl. Thank you, guys. The rose them coming late, my team. The rose, oh God.
Thank you.
God, watch out, Mela jump side and I send Rose. Mel, thank you. Summer Bliss, Jay Spring, Crystal, Janice, Charlene, Rosalie, Red, Aisha, Shakisha. Thank you so much, baby. I appreciate it.
Always go out. Your moderator block everything will come over here. Mr. All with the team bless sign will never come over here yet. Block them,
Chantal,
bro.
thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Block them, dog.
Guys.
Jano, yo, I feel like say when World Dog, like, him get angry, him just go blank. You know what I mean? Him go blank. A whole heap of time I hear him this Swiss people, them. You see me I say? And Swiss not have no control over that. A lot of people wear him logo and say this and say that. You know what I mean? And him a say it. You know what I mean? And people, World Dog have to understand, say Swiss a big man. You can't deal with a big man like this. Me see Swiss in a LA. You know what I mean? The people them are commenting in the comment section, you know. Swiss address this thing already, you know. The people them are commenting in the comment section, I say, like, them glad say, him alone go LA and World Dog no go. This and that and Ray. And Swiss tell them, say, yo, World Dog could have come if him want, him just don't want come. How much more you got to explain?
We don't have the speed bad girl Kiki.
Do we have any more? Oh, shit.
Guys, we're gonna do Galaxy anything on a thing. We can catch up the score, we can snipe this down. Real, thank you.
Thank you. Guys, a banana. No
Tasha,
banana
thank you. Guys, if everybody in the room drop an art, on a thing.
You want the game done for go tell some people about their mother, you see. When the dog come from my page, man. When the stay over Swiss page, bro.
Just it.
Moderator block everything. Yes, sir, come on. Nobody want to go, nobody want to go away. Seriously, nobody alone. Happy you went alone. Happy you do this. Yes, sir, come on again. Nobody business with nobody. I can't with nobody, boy.
Guys, Red UGC, thank you.
Guys, me are begging the two art there, please. Me are begging the two art there, guys.
People business, no.
Me are begging the two art there, please. Let's see. How much more money? We need 16 more hanards, guys.
All week, them I do it. Nobody want to sit down in no crowd, brother. I'm still saying we want to crowd.
Red, thank you so much, baby. Guys, do you have any more donuts in the chat, guys? Any more hand please?
Uno just inner people's skin from pink wall to tropics to over here, whole week. Swissy, we're hero. What now worry about me for?
Thick, thank you for the pepper.
Why people?
Can't take it, bro. Can't take it. Mad for.
So some things did I go on and me never catch. You know what I mean? So because of the argument, Sisley, you know what I mean, him come off of the match, got Real Dog exit the match. Me feel like say him never really cuss after this, you know, people. He look like somebody in a film camp, you know what I mean, calm him down because him say to him people, him say, yo, you see, if me I go too far, I want to know, tell me. So it look like say somebody where him respect, type in him comment section, you know what I mean, or call him and him no go up on a rant. You see what I say? It look like see that's why him exit the match. But Swissley end the match and address the situation. As me say people, when Swissley did that LA, him tell the people them, cause the people them in the comment section attack, him tell the people them say, yo, you know what I mean, Real Dog never want come. So that's why him not there. If him did want come, him would have there. You see me? So me not see the reason for him go off and say nothing about Sicily. You know what I mean? People in the comment section are type, you know what I mean, you can't left the comment section because Sicily don't address the situation again. So this is how Sicily have to say, cause him go up on him live, him exit the match and explain the situation.
Bro, me don't know why people think we have like over bro, the dog, if the dog you don't want to go, him with a go. The 2 hours we get pick feet, bro. Him no want go, bro. That not have nothing to do with Uno, bro. Uno always make it be like a competition, bro. Always, bro, dog. Uno as people don't just make the app toxic, bro. Toxic, bro. Him no want go, bro. That not, bro. Me don't know why I never try compete people, bro. Me and that man in no competition, bro. Everything Uno do, Uno compete me and him, bro. Me and nobody on TikTok in no competition, brother. Dog, the man no want go, bro. And then people, dog, just always that, me not, bro. The app done toxic, bro. Me don't know why they just like, when the apps are toxic, bro, argument. Then they make it look like, say, we, bro.
Sicily team no like Real Dog team.
A film decision for no go, bro.
Real Dog
him could have
team
go, him say him nah go.
don't like Sicily team. You see me? Because them no like Real Dog team. That's where you go. So them a go always.
Dog for those bill, bro. When you see what go on with the ranking one item, no one want start up this again, bro. Dog, me not in it, bro. I swear, brother.
Them a go be rival, cause them team no like each other. Simple. You know what I mean? But them have to know say, yo, don't make this reach to me or this you and yeah, this me. No dog. So because our Real Dog say, Sicily feel like say him have to come address the situation, else maybe Real Dog a go pre him. You know what I mean? Because as me say, me hear the dog address the situation when him da earlier make the people them know say Real Dog could have come if him want to come. You know what I mean? And Real Dog as a man still, him not to make certain things get to him. Me know say end up on the media and people have a lot to say about him, and it a go kinda you go feel a way some of the time I want to address the situation, but address the people them, not your friend.
You know, January real assault. Bro, the dog I say, bro, me can't keep, bro, the comment lock off. That's how we have moderator. You get moderator for your life to control your life, bro. If you have fucked up moderators, them are going to lower the life. My moderator, them lock it off, bro. Them lock it off as them see everything start. Them lock it off, bro. So there's nothing for me say if them don't lock it off.
That's true, you know what I mean? So Real Dog shouldn't have an issue with Sicily because the moderator lock off.
Bro, that, I don't know that. I don't know, bro. I don't know that. Like, I don't know why you take that, bro. Me don't know if... Me don't know.
Jaja, why am I tell the people? Real dog skin too thin here, man. That me feel like. The dog have to just love certain things, you know what I mean?
No, him not blame me. Him just say, yo, why me not say no? But me can't say no as they come in lock off. Damn, I don't know, bro. I don't know, dog. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. I'm not sure I just come home and just go sleep.
Him kinda did I blame you because him say you know say nothing. You know what I mean? Which way me hear that. Me hear Swiss Lee say something. And address the situation. Him say the comment lock off. So there's no need for address nothing. You see what I say? So boy, real dog just have to, you know what I mean, calm down some of the time. You see, the dog have to just
Nice,
calm
bro.
down.
You just, bro. Bro, and the same thing me and the man talk about a while ago, you know, bro. Me and the man up on the phone, me and say, dog, the app get toxic, bro. I swear. Before me reach where me I go, bro, me and the dog up on the phone. And me I say, bro, you saw the app get toxic, bro. Me and the dog I say, yo, that people are left the app, bro, because the app get toxic, bro. Too much things are going on the app, bro. And the same thing we are talking about, the same thing got me now. And the same thing got me now, bro. Oh, God.
You want to tell me one thing, people, because John,
I don't know, yeah, bro.
Swiss Lee people them don't like World Dog. World Dog people them don't like Swiss Lee people them because them not like
Bro,
World
you
Dog.
see that say, you see me just breeze that, bro. Me just breeze the app from what there. Breeze it. Me no come on TikTok from me there LA, bro. Every whole of the rank of them play them match. Me the hungry man no go play no match, bro. Me just breeze the app. Cause too much things are going on the app, bro. That me don't know, bro. I don't know if I want science on the app. But too much things are going on the app, bro. Too much things, bro. Too much things, bro.
Them young boy I believe in I hope you too much in a virgin. Where Swiss Lee I go about science? So
Yeah, no, bro. Too much things, bro. I just go on.
So at this point Swiss Lee jump off the live, you know what I mean? And people, Real Dog, you have to find a way to calm down. You have to find a way to calm down. Me not see him deal with nobody else around him like how him deal with Swiss Lee. You know what I mean? But you see when you love somebody and you expect certain things from them and them disappoint you, you go feel a way. But I don't think Swiss Lee disappoint or do nothing for Real Dog say certain things to him. As me say, me hear him address the thing when him did that LA. You see, and if Real Dog come now and I say him not say nothing and him did lock off him moderator lock off the comments. You know what I mean? And again, people, the people them we are carrying news to Real Dog about Swiss Lee, them are not good people. It look like say them go over Swiss Lee live for watch what go on, for come back, come tell him. You see them the people there, them good and them bad some of the time, you know. You know what I mean? And you have to know how to deal with information once you get the information. You understand me I say? So when me I say, I'm going to say it again, Swiss Lee need to sit down with Real Dog and talk to him and make him know certain things where him now go accept from him. Enough people are wait for Swiss Lee cut from around Real Dog, you know. But Swiss Lee show him loyalty. And me like to see the two of them together. So I would want that to happen. But you have to draw the line somewhere. You have to man up and talk to Real Dog and make him know, say, yo, me love you and all. There's no question about that. Because enough time Mrs. Sisley come on the app and him express him love and respect for her dog. But you have to make the man know, say, stop attacking me. Because if you love me, see, and trust me, you will know, say, me now go ever disrespect you in a no way. So you no need to come at me. Me I go have people in my team, you know, say some of them don't like you. So address them, not me. You see me? So people, wanna make me know what I think.